Welcome to Happiness Blanket channel. Subscribe this channel so that you may get our new selection from the world best videos. Now please like, share and comment this video. We are thankful to the video producers for their reuse permission.
Hello, I'm Andres Pira, and I'd like to tell you a story. There was once a teenage boy who was always looking for trouble. He refused to be obedient and was disciplined continuously for bad behavior. Once, he snuck a dead fish in the air duct that shut down his school for days because of the unbearably foul odor it caused. But his antics didn't stop there. When he was 15, he dropped out of school and spent his days drinking on the streets and getting into fights. He wandered aimlessly with an intoxicated brain, oblivious to where he was headed. He was on his way to becoming a lifelong alcoholic, a mistake or two away from prison, or worse, an early grave. That boy was me. I acted recklessly because I did not have the confidence that I could amount to anything. I lived without specific goals and felt as if I had already failed. So I thought, why work to achieve anything? Fortunately, I had a turning point in life when I was 20 and homeless on the beaches of Phuket. Now, 15 years later, I'm the CEO of a prominent property development company in Phuket and the founder of 18 further companies. I've reached billionaire status, something my younger self would have thought was beyond possible. How did I go from being homeless to a billionaire? I did not find a magic lamp containing a wish-granting genie as Aladdin did. I worked hard, and it took countless efforts to get where I am. One of them was goal setting. The first step of the success formula is to know the answer to what do you really want? Answering this question will help eliminate unnecessary pursuits and give you a clearer idea of what to focus on. Only then will you be able to confidently change the course of your journey, steer in the right direction, and reach your ultimate destiny. When stating your goals, don't be vague. Always ask yourself these questions when deciding on what you want to achieve. How will that item or experience look in detail when I receive it? How long do I give myself until I reach it? How will I feel and act when I achieve it? If you want to become wealthy, for example, your goal can be earning an additional $50,000 every 4 months. You should picture your bank account balance and see an extra $50,000 in 4 months and $150,000 in a year. You should be able to sense the feelings of relief, happiness, joy, and peace you'll experience when you realize you have achieved your goal. Visualizing your goals in bright, vivid mental pictures is essential to creating opportunities in life. You don't need to understand the hows of reaching your goals. You just need to be clear on what exactly you want and how you will feel when you attain them. Everything else will fall into place. Don't know what you really want? It's okay. Not everyone has it all figured out. There's no need to rush. It's essential that you take your time to decide what is important to you in life. Believing in the wrong values is one of the biggest mistakes anyone can make. In fact, I've had employees who weren't too sure of their goals. I sat down with them and guided them through a simple yet powerful goal-setting exercise. If you're also unsure of your goals and feel stuck, you might want to give this a try. Step 1. Take a piece of paper and a pen and write down all the things you don't want in life. Even if we aren't too sure about what we want in life exactly, most of us are confident about the things we don't want. For example, we might want to switch careers, but might not yet know which industry we'd like to enter. But we'd have known at that point that we do not wish to continue working in the industry that we're currently in. Writing down the things you don't want in life pushes you to make decisions on certain aspects of your life. It reinstates your stance on different matters and creates a foundation for building goals with real intent and action. Once you've completed this step, you will no longer need to focus your attention and energy on things that don't matter. Step 2. Take a new piece of paper and write down the exact opposite of what you just wrote. If you wrote down, "I don't want to be poor," write, "I want to be rich" on the new sheet. If you wrote, "I don't want to lead an unhealthy lifestyle," then write, "I want to be healthy." What you write might not exactly be what you want, but it's a start to understanding your real needs and wants, and it will help you discover your real interests. Step 3. Take another piece of paper and write down a list of things you can start doing right away. Ask yourself what you can start doing this moment if you want to become wealthy, or to lead a healthy lifestyle. You could go to online recruitment sites and search for higher-paying jobs or freelancing work from which you can earn extra cash. You could also alter your diet and start consuming fewer carbs and sugar. Write down everything you think you can do. Step 4. Pick the top 5 actions from the last list you created that inspire you the most. Once you've selected from the things you can start doing right away, set a reasonable deadline for completion. Whatever you choose, it's essential to establish a realistic time and day as the finish line so you can achieve what you intended to. If you aim too high to start with, you may not be able to follow through with your plans and might consider giving up. Most importantly, now you've written down and chosen your goals, visualize them as already achieved. This crucial step makes a big difference. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish by using the power of positive visualization to manifest the law of attraction. Seeing results will motivate you to work harder and take even more steps toward achieving your goals. Once you feel you've got the hang of the first 5 actions, you can take on the next 5 on your list. Be sure to keep your third list accessible so that as you can begin to take action, you can adjust your list's details and timelines as you progress. I've seen firsthand how this simple exercise can turn someone who's been living without a sense of direction into someone who works full-time to achieve their goals. In fact, one of the top agents from my organization wrote down 92 goals he wanted to achieve. He successfully accomplished 83 of them in less than 6 years. If you start now, perhaps you too can achieve your goals in 6 years or even sooner. By now, I'm sure you see that goal setting is essential. But do you know why it's so important? Goals are a powerful statement of our dreams and inner desires. They're testimonials to our understanding of our own potential. By having goals, we give ourselves a reason to wake up every morning brimming with energy and have something potentially life-changing to be excited about. If we set the right goals, they can be our ticket to a happy life. At the same time, they're also a means to revolutionize the world as we know it. Do you know how many attempts it took the great Thomas Edison to invent the light bulb successfully? Countless. Edison had a clear vision of what he wanted to create, and his goal was to turn his ideas into reality. Despite what others might have perceived as a failure, Edison considered each unsuccessful attempt a learning opportunity and a step closer to success. If Edison did not follow through on his goal, we might not have had the light bulbs we cannot live without today. Along with Edison, many successful figures throughout history, including the Wright brothers, have been told at least once that their goals are impossible to achieve, and that they will likely fail. However, it is these very people who made the impossible possible and revolutionized our way of life. Despite what others might say, it is essential to keep our goals and visions guarded. It is nobody's business to judge. What might seem improbable or unrealistic to most people will not be perceived in the same way to someone with a clear vision, a solid strategy, and an unwavering determination to achieve personal goals. After all, nobody has changed the world by being like everyone else. No matter how long it takes for us to go to where we want to be, the progress we make along the way will fuel our motivation. It will reassure us that we are capable of achieving what we set out to achieve. If we persevere, we can and will accomplish our goals. To follow me and discover many other principles to wealth and happiness, you can reach me at andrespira.com and subscribe here.